Hi, this is Jim and Sharon with Drive to Ride, and you know, we put out episodes on big destination things that we've done, but those aren't all that we do. We frequently are making small trips with neighbors or sometimes just by ourselves to various sites around this part of Arizona. And we take video and pictures of all this stuff, and we got to thinking that we've got a collection of several things that we've done that we'd just like to share with you. The first thing we're going to do is show you painted rock petroglyphs near Gila Bend. We went out there with some friends of ours, and what you're looking at right here is we took our drone with us, and so we did an overflight. This is really two big hills out in the desert that have some ancient
carvings on the rock.
Petroglyphs.
And they call them petroglyphs.
Yeah, like that. So stuff like this, and this is a national monument. So this is protected. It's on BLM land, but it's really interesting. It's way out in the middle of nowhere. It'll take you, it's about 20 miles after you get off the pavement. Okay, so the next place we went to is Picacho Peak, which is about 35 miles south of here.
Yes, as you can see coming up on the pictures, it is got a really unique peak to it. So you can see it miles away and say, that's it.
We can see it from our front door, actually, about 35 miles south of here.
And say it again.
Picacho.
Gesundheit. It sounds like he sneezed. It's a fun name.
Yeah, the reason we went out there was really to look at the flowers. And the cactus. There's cactus there, but these are called
golden Mexican poppies. Who would have thought poppies in Arizona?
Yeah.
And the blue ones are called lupine, and those are pretty. And they're all out there on the mountainsides.
All mixed in with the cactus, so we took several photographs. Because of all the rains that we've had, the desert is just alive with color, and it's just gorgeous stuff. So we took a number of pictures.
Now this one's called brittle bush.
Brittle bush, right.
Brittle bush.
Also out in the desert, also blooming because of all the rain.
And it was awesome.
So
I thoroughly love flowers, so I was just taking pictures. We got hundreds of pictures.
Yeah, yeah.
I loved it.
And now then we're going to the Mesa Swap Meet in Mesa, Arizona.
A big, big flea market. Takes up a whole block. And I had fun. Look at the fun birds.
Yeah.
And their wobbly little heads and their funny little eyes. Yes, I had so much fun there.
Yeah, there's lots and lots of stuff to see here.
Bobbing heads, bobbing heads.
Yeah. All kinds of objects d'art, I think it is. I don't
know but we got no room on our walls to put up art. So,
yeah.
You know, we just had to admire it. We can't take it home.
You can just look at it. None of this is coming home with us, so we're actually quite safe. When you live in an RV, in a travel trailer, you haven't got room for anything, so
you don't buy so much.
You don't have to worry about your budget.
And of course, Harley Davidson. We ride a Harley, so out on the wood was awesome. I don't know what kind of wood this was. It was so pretty, and they made all kinds of different things, tables and wine holders, and all kinds of very talented people. You see a lot of art. Oh, I love the clothes. Purple one. That's what I like. Lots and lots of rugs, everything you can think of, they have there. And we found something.
He found a purse.
And he found
a gizmo to wipe the truck off when it's not raining.
I love the color. And those flowers, they just glow. They're made out of metal and so pretty. Cooking shows, you can learn a lot of things just watching. It's free.
Yep.
Yeah, they even gave you samples.
This
colors.
Is essential oils that they were selling.
They're lights, like a lamp. You know, there's an actual candle in there, and then it heats the oil. This was fun. I don't know, like wind catchers?
I suppose so.
And just watching them fun. And the golf.
Lots of places to.
I like the big one.
Buy golf stuff.
I love hummingbirds, and this is a little hummingbird go round and round. It was too much fun.
A little solar.
What? Yeah, solar light did it.
And then another big thing for me was the Brothers 4 concert in Coolidge. I've been listening to the Brothers 4 since I was a kid. And I think I've got every album they've got. When they were singing here, Sharon and I, and most of the audience was singing right along with them.
We knew the words.
We knew all the songs.
We were singing all the words.
One of these guys is in his 80s. Okay, so that's the few things that we've got that we wanted to share with you. If you like these videos, we'd sure like you to subscribe and give us a thumbs up.
Yeah, we don't want you to miss anything, so come along for the ride and subscribe.
Oh, and also, if you'll hit the bell, you'll get a notice whenever we upload a new video.
Yeah, you want to see the new stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
Thanks.
All right, thanks so much. See you later.
Bye.
Yep, all right.
Like a deer in the headlight. Beep.
Yep, okay. Now we're looking at that.
Yes, we look at the camera and not to the side.
Okay. All right. I know that it's recording.
Yay.
Whoops, and then I moved it.
Chopped your head off.
Yeah, that way. All right, so I may have to do it 100 times. Take 47.
You always said 47. Is that the answer of the universe?
No,
Was
it's
that
43.
Oh, got it wrong.
It's 40 something.
No wonder it's not working for
Yeah,
you.
that's probably what it is.
1, 2, 3. All right, start again.
Okay, so.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.